हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्ट्रीम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे जनवरी से लेकर जुलाई तक इम्पॉर्टेंट बुक्स एंड ऑथर्स, इस साल के टॉप 30 ऐसे क्वेश्चन जो आपके अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण साबित हो सकती है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। पहला सवाल, हु हैज़ रिटन द बुक द बेंच? द राइट आंसर इज मेगन मार्केल। शी इज़ द डचेस ऑफ ससेक्स। अगला सवाल, हु हैज़ रिटन द बुक बिलीव व्हाट लाइफ एंड क्रिकेट टॉट मी? इसका सही जवाब है फॉर्मर इंडियन क्रिकेटर सुरेश रैना, और इसका को ऑथर है भारत सुंदरेसन। हु हैज़ रिटन द बुक माई एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ साइलेंस? द राइट आंसर इज समीर सोनी। ही इज एन एक्टर। अगला सवाल है, हु हैज़ रिटन द बुक स्टोरीज आई मस्ट टेल? इसका जवाब होगा कबीर बेदी। ये भी एक एक्टर थे। हु हैज़ रिटन द बुक वेयर अबाउट्स? वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट। राइट आंसर इज झुम्पा लाहिरी। The other famous books of her are The Namesake and Lowland. These are very important books of Jhumpa Lahiri. Who has written the book The Living Mountain, a fable for our old times? The right answer is Amitabh Ghosh. Again, very very important name in the field of literature. इसका जो प्रीवियस बुक्स है जैसे कैलकाटा क्रोमोसोम, द सर्कल ऑफ रीजन, ग्लास पैलेस, शैडो लाइन्स, रिवर ऑफ स्मोक्स, ये तो पिछले बहुत सालों में परीक्षा में आ चुका है, और ये ज्ञानपीठ साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड ये सब जीत चुके हैं। हु हैज़ रिटन द बुक द क्रिसमस पिग? द राइट आंसर इज J.K. Rowling, who had written Harry Potter. Ikabog is also a new book of her. Who has written the book Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Simple Life? The right answer is Nitin Gokhale. Manohar Parrikar was a former CM of Goa and former defense minister of our country, India. Who has written the book Advantage India, The Story of Indian Tennis? The right answer is Aninda Dotto. The next question is, who has written the book The Terrible, Horrible, Very Bad, Good News? The right answer is Meghna Pant. अगला सवाल, who has written the book India 71-year Test, The Journey to Trump in Australia? This is a book by R. Kaushik. Who has written the book Gazing Eastward, of Buddhist monks and revolutionaries in China 1957? इसका सही जवाब है famous historian Romila Thapa. This is about her first journey in China in the late 1950s. This is her memoir. Who has written the book Commonwealth Cricket? Ramachandra Guha is also a famous historian and a cricket enthusiast. Who has written the book The Little Book of Encouragement? It's very very important book. It is also. The right answer is 14th Dalai Lama. The next question: who has written the book By Many a Happy Accident, Recollection of a Life? The right answer is former Vice President of India, Dr. Hamid Ansari. Who has written the book Unfinished? इसका सही जवाब है प्रियंका चोपड़ा. Who has written the books The Last Light of Glory Days, Stories from Nagaland? Dr. Avinu Kire. This is from the Nagaland insurgency days, how it shook the Nagaland. The book is all about that. Who has written the book The Lost Soul? The right answer is Olga Tokarczuk. Olga Tokarczuk is also a 2018 Nobel Prize winner in literature. Who has written the book COVID-19 Sabhyata Ka Sankat aur Samadhan? The right answer is Kailash Satyarthi, who got Nobel in 2014. He works to abolish the child slavery, the child labor. Who has written the book The India Story? The right answer is former RBI Governor Bimal Jalan. Who has written the book The Pilgrimation? Devdutt Pattanaik. It will be the right answer. He is an Indian author and a mythologist. Who has written the book Kill It, Kill It? इसका सही जवाब होगा रॉनी स्क्रूवाला, जो एक बॉलीवुड का फेमस प्रोड्यूसर है. Who has written the book Home in the World? The right answer is Amartya Sen. This book is about his journey from a Kolkata teenager to the Cambridge University. This is the journey of his first 30 years of his life. Who has written the book It's a Wonderful Life? It is Ruskin Bond. Who has written the book 1971, The Beginning of India's Cricketing Greatness? Another cricket related book, and it is written by Gautam Bhattacharya and Boria Mazumdar, and this is about India's famous tour in England and West Indies in the 1971, which proves to be a huge factor and a huge event, because India wasn't used to win in that time, but 1971 tour changed something in our country. And who has written the book Sach Kahu To? The right answer is Neena Gupta. She is a Bollywood actor. Next question: who has written the book India's Power, Elite, Class, Caste and a Cultural Revolution? The right answer is Sanjay Badu, whose famous book was Accidental Prime Minister. Who has written the book Buddha in Gandhara? Sunita Dwivedi is the right answer. This is about old Silk Route to China. Who has written the book 1232 Kilometer, The Long Journey Home? This is journalist and director Vinod Kapri. This book is about the plight of Indian migrant workers during the lockdown. Who has written the book Languages of Truth, Essays 2003 to 2020? The right answer is Salman Rushdie. So thank you very much for watching it. Please like, share and subscribe the video for more content like this. See you in another session. Thank you.